Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc1900403 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and finally resolve them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. And why am I coming to this solution directly? Because see, here's the thing. Once you reset Windows Update components, the service inconsistencies will be fixed. The software distribution cat2 folder will be deleted. The files associated will be re-registered. WinSock will be reset. So basically there's nothing else that is left. Or I have a script here. All you need to do is copy it till the absolute end. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter and wait for 2 minutes. It will fix all problems related to Windows updates. All DLLs will be re-registered, and all you need to do after that is simply restart your computer and your problem is resolved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.